Now we are going to open a new project. In there are so many templates are available. That means architecture template, structural template, mechanical and electrical. Before we have done all this only in none because I just want to show how to work. Now when you enter into a project, you can choose anything from this one. Now I just select that architecture template. Click OK button. It will be directly enter into the project. Now you will be shown that four box. That means these are all elevations. First one is it's an elevation 5. That means that indicates north, south, east, west. In four elevations, you have to work inside the four elevations. If there is a big project or industrial project, you just move that elevation wherever it's required. Like select that one. You can use move command or press M. Wherever it required. Select that one. Just click move command and move it. Select that one. Just click that one. Move. Now let us see how to create a grid. Okay. The grid, where to choose that grid? In architecture, at the right hand corner, the datum dialog box above the grids and levels are available. Just select the grid. Now you can create a grid. There will be so many options are available. If you want to grid or provide as a grid at 2 points means as a single line, you can use that line command. If you want to create a grid like arc, they will give you a sample like 3 points. And if you want to create just a arc, use that grid. And finally is a pick. The pick line can be mainly used to create the grid already existing grid. That's when you are importing any CAD drawings, the pick line is mainly used for creating grids. Now I am just showing how to create a grid by using line. Click that line. You can create the grid. When you create a grid, there will be shown here angles and numbers because the grid start automatically from number 1 and just I create another grid, use the shortcut key GR, and when you create another grid they will be automatically shown some dimension. That one is a temporary dimension. Click that one. I just create another grid. Now the number will be automatically changed from 1 to 2. Same process. Click that shortcut key GR and create another grid 1 If you escape it, they will be come out from the grid. So don't click escape key and then click third one and then click fourth grid. Now let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just create a 5 numbers of grids. Now I want to create this in horizontal vertical. Now I want to create a vertical with different number of grid tag. For that I just want to create another grid from left right to left. Now let us see. I want to change from A to A series, that means alphabet series. But here will be shown as 6. Just first word you can double click that one, change to A. Now the Revit will automatically choose next word to B, C, D, E, F. Select that one, GR, and when I create a grid, you can zoom it and see it that one, the grid will be changed to B. Same process. When I click that one, you can see the grid will be shown with the tag of C. I just create a 5 grids. A, B, C, D, E. Now I want to change A, B, C, D and this one as a A. From that grid, next grid will be shown as AB because AA series will be comes next to the series of AB. It's just like Excel. In Excel, they will be shown like that. Just create another grid. When I click that one, you can see as BB. And same process, let us click next one as CC. Okay. Now, I just want to provide a dimension. The dimension will be available in Annotate tab or in Quick Access toolbar. The dimensions will be available. Just click it, align, and whatever dimension required, just provide that one. This one from grid to grid and from next grid and 3 to 4, 4 to 5. From A to B, B to C, C to D, D to AA and D to AA dot BBC. Now I just want to equalize that dimension because or if you give that whole dimension, that is 60. Okay. Now I want to equalize that grids. This one is 16 and this one is 16. This is 12. This one is 16. I want to equalize means just click that dimension and it above it be shown as EQ. Click that one. They will be automatically equalize that dimension. and also equalize the grids. I want to see what values will be in EQ. Click the dimension and the dialog, in properties, the dialog will be shown. That's a equal display. In equality display, just change that value. It will be automatically changed to 15, 15, 15, 15. Same process in this place. I just equalize the dimension. There will be equalize the all grids. I want to see the value of EQ. Select that one and click value. It's a 12 degree to fit. Now I just want only 12 feet. That means click that from A to CC. This one is a 77. I just change that as I just select at grid A. They will be automatically shown blue line. That means you can edit the dimension only selecting grids, not selecting the dimension. Click that one. I just want to change to 70. Now you can see the dimension will be in equalize.